Many professionals across a wide range of industries are concerned about the possibility of AI replacing human roles, and optical networking is no exception. Some in the field worry that advancements in AI could eventually take over the responsibilities of optical network engineers. But is that concern justified? Can AI truly replace these specialized professionals? To answer that, it's important to first examine how AI is currently influencing optical networks. AI in optical networking is accelerating fast, driving predictive maintenance, real-time monitoring, and automated network optimization. AI can identify subtle performance degradation long before it escalates into a service-impacting fault by continuously analyzing key performance metrics such as optical power, loss or attenuation, optical signal-to-noise ratio, OSNR, and bit error ratio, BER. It can also forecast traffic demand with high accuracy, enabling networks to dynamically allocate bandwidth and optimize capacity in real time. In high-speed coherent systems, AI further enhances performance by compensating for impairments such as chromatic dispersion, CD, polarization mode dispersion, PMD, and nonlinear effects through adaptive signal processing techniques. Together, these capabilities are transforming optical networks from static, reactive systems into intelligent, self-optimizing infrastructures that can adapt to changing conditions, improve reliability, and maximize efficiency without constant human intervention. But will AI replace optical network engineers? No. AI excels at processing data and automating repetitive tasks, but it cannot design network architectures, interpret complex real-world scenarios, or make critical engineering decisions during outages. Optical networks require human expertise to handle ambiguity, troubleshoot unexpected failures, and align technical solutions with business needs. History reinforces this. Spreadsheets were expected to replace accountants, but instead made them more powerful. Automation did not replace pilots, but made them more effective by reducing repetitive manual tasks, enhancing situational awareness, and allowing them to focus more on critical decision-making and flight safety. And robotics did not eliminate engineers, but made them better by automating repetitive and precision-based tasks, allowing them to focus more on design, problem-solving, and innovation. Each innovation elevated the role of professionals rather than removing them. AI in optical networking will do the same. It will take over routine, data-heavy tasks, allowing engineers to focus on higher-value work, such as network design, optimization, and innovation. AI won't replace optical network engineers, it will make them more essential than ever. To jumpstart your career as an optical network engineer, consider enrolling in OTT-certified optical network training programs delivered by FiberGuide. Contact FiberGuide to register for our upcoming public sessions or to arrange private, on-site training tailored for your engineering team. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified when the next video is posted. If you enjoyed this one, please give it a like. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.